Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Exercises comprehension. Answer the following questions. The first question is who made the house on the beach? साहिल पर किसने घर बनाया था? The answer is Noman and Shahid made the house on the beach. Question B. What was the first house made of? पहला घर जो उन्होंने बनाया था वो किससे बना हुआ था? What happened to it? और फिर उसके साथ क्या हुआ? The answer is the first house was made of sand. पहला घर रेत से बना हुआ था and it was washed away और वो बह गया था. Question number C. Who stayed behind and who went away? पीछे कौन रह गया था और कौन चला गया था? Answer. Numan stayed behind and Shahid went away. Question number D. Why did Numan leave school? Numan ने स्कूल क्यों छोड़ा? The answer is because Numan's family was poor. We can answer completely. Numan left the school because Numan's family was poor. Question number E. Did Numan become rich? Why not? क्या नुमान अमीर हुआ था? अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ? Numan did not become rich because he supported his poor family. Or we only can write he supported his family because his family was poor. नुमान इसलिए अमीर नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि वो अपनी फैमिली को, अपने ख़ानदान वालों को सपोर्ट कर रहा था, उनकी फाइनेंशियली हेल्प कर रहा था, तो इसलिए वो अपने लिए कुछ सेविंग ना कर सका और वो अमीर नहीं हुआ. नंबर एफ. व्हाट डिड शाहिद डू व्हेन ही रिटर्न? जब शाहिद वापस आया तो उसने क्या किया? आंसर नंबर एफ. व्हेन शाहिद रिटर्न्ड और व्हेन शाहिद रिटर्न्ड बैक ही हग्ड हिज फ्रेंड and spend his money for a real house. Or we can answer when Shahid returned, he hugged his friend and spent his money to make or to build a new house. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.